What is reinforcement learning, or RL for short? Reinforcement learning is we let the AI to learn from trial and error, which means the AI will take random action first and then they learn from their action. Here are some words in reinforcement learning, which is environment and agent. So what is this? For example, let's say you want to train AI to play your game. Then in this case, the AI is the agent and the game is the environment. Something like this. So here is the core concept in reinforcement learning. These three is important. The first one, action. Action is really the AI to do something. It may seem obvious and it is. So for example, here, let's say you want to train AI to play Flappy Bird. And before we give the AI any action, the AI cannot move, the AI is just dumb, the AI is stupid. But after we give the AI action, the AI can jump. Yeah, that's it. Okay, next. Reward. Reward is we let the AI be able to learn. Because now the problem is the bird now don't have any goal. Imagine you don't have any goal in your life. Then you won't take any action to improve. That is the problem. Anyway, the bird again. In here, we got a pipe and then we put an area after the pipe. So now, the thing is when the bird pass the pipe and touch the area, we tell the bird, you did a good job. So we give the bird a reward. Then the bird will know, oh, this is good. But in another hand, let's say now the bird touched the pipe and then we minus the bird reward. We tell the bird, you sucks, don't do this. Then the bird will know, alright, I should avoid this. Okay, next, observation. Observation is will the AI be able to see. Fun fact, the AI just now actually cannot see anything, which means the AI actually don't have any eyes. What is the solution? Solution is we give the AI eyes. If the bird have eyes, the bird can see his face. If the bird can see his face, he can also see the pipe. If you can see the pipe, you can improve. He can improve. He is a smart AI. Yeah, that's what we want. That's it. You are a reinforcement learning expert now. Congratulations.